Wish me happy birthday. Down below. It was on January 28. Thank you.
Now let's go cook with my mom. Yep, that's me. Let's go. This is Italian sausage and onion. Fry until lightly brown. Now add your sauce. Let sauce cook with meat for 10 minutes. Optional, add some beans. Optional, add some red pepper flakes and complete seasoning. Okay, let's make the cornbread. Just follow the directions on the box. Transfer mixture onto your meat. Trust the process.
Wow.
Spread your cornbread evenly. Thank you. Now let's put the cornbread in the oven until golden brown.
Yummy cornbread is done.
Let's have a look. OMG, looks amazing. Let's have a piece. My cornbread, meat pie. This is mine. Go make your own. I showed the recipe.
Let's make an Oreo chocolate cake. Let's see what's inside. That's cookies. That's chocolate cake mix. Okay, now let's add the eggs. Add some sour cream. About 2 tablespoons. Now let's mix it all up. Make sure to mix well. Love is all around this Valentine's. Grease your baking dish and then add in your cake mix. Now the cake goes in the oven. Wow! Chocolate cake looking good. Cute. We must let the cake cool.
Let me get one more spin. Yumi, that cake looks so good. I showed you how to do it. go make you one. It definitely is awesome.
Everyone, enjoy this cake. Thanks for watching.
Love is all around this 2026.
Everyone, thanks for watching.